To change background color for your new Note on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Note app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap setting icon. Under general section, tap style of new Note, tap color, and then select the desired color you like to use as the background color for your new Note. As the example, we will select yellow. To see the result, tap the back key twice. Tap the new Note icon to create a new Note. As you can see, now Samsung Note app will use yellow for the background color of your Note. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.